Probably not your fault, but long time no see. Well, we've got a lot to talk about today. We're going to start with the trader. I have been running live for, since October, which we're going to talk about, and the results. And we're also going to talk about world markets. You remember world markets? They were the trading people who claimed an artificial intelligence trading algorithm that was getting upwards 700% returns per annum. And in the last couple of years, they were showing no losses on any month, which I found highly suspicious. So I have some news about them because I did everything but give them money. And so they have me registered on their books as one of their traders. So I'm getting all the information, which I'm going to show you. So in October, I opened a real money live trading account with £13,000. Should have been 15, but I looked at the trader and it wasn't really heavily in any positions or anything, so I thought I could get away with 13. It promptly lost £2,500 within a couple of weeks, I think, a week or 2 weeks, very quick. Might have even been shorter. And I panicked. I'm like, oh my God. And I shut it down. Now I've got a trader with only £10,500 and it should have 15. And I was nervous about it. It's a lot of money to me. I waited until January and then I thought, okay, either I'm going to trust this trader or I don't. And I've spent 2 years developing in it and it's always done good things. So I thought, okay, close my eyes and just let it run. Just let the trader run. Because my biggest mistake with the traders is that I tend to tinker with them. So then I lost a little bit more money. And then I got a margin call. Now, a margin call, for those who don't know, is when the broker contacts you and says, well, if you want to keep trading, you need to put in some more money because we want a buffer. In case the market goes badly against you, we want a buffer so we're never in a loss position. So you always need a buffer of money in order to trade. And my buffer was too small, thus a margin call. So then I thought about it and I thought, I need 15,000. That's what you need to start the trader. And since I pretty much was starting it fresh again, because I'd taken a month off, I threw in another £5,000. It's a lot of money to me. So that brought it up to 15,500. And my total investment at that point was £18,000. It was at this point things finally started turning around. And this is what I made in the first month. So this is ending January. So now the account's up to £18,000. So that's a gain of 3. That's a gain of 3. Had to do the math there. And which meant I was break even. And this is February. And now I'm at 21, which of course is another £3,000. So things are looking okay. I can tell you that March, we've also made some money so far. At some point, this thing is going to start losing money. It'll lose a significant amount of money because that's how the trade work goes, up and down, up and down. But the ups tend to be higher than the downs, which is how it works. So I'm not going to report, I'm probably going to report once a month. But I am going to keep reporting because I think this is worthwhile. Now, world markets is an interesting case because, okay, first of all, their main website is still open, worldmarkets.com. Here it is. You can look it up yourself. And they are also still advertising the artificial intelligence trading. But to their customers, the ones that have already given money, they're saying where they're depositing their money, it has gone bankrupt, what they call SwiftX, which I'll show you. Here's the emails.
The first email we got was an invitation to give them more money. And the only suspicious thing about this is they were willing to give you 30% on whatever you deposit. So if you deposit 100,000, they're going to give you $30,000 for absolutely nothing. It'd be worth just doing that. Do the deposit in beginning of December, and then January pull it out. You got a 30% return on 1 month. And then 3 weeks later, another email shows up. And this one warning of liquidity issues, but only for the people in the AI section. Everything else is all fine. Everyone remain calm. Just the AI people are having trouble getting their money back.
Then 3 weeks later, we get another letter letting us know things are being closely monitored. And then 3 weeks later, we get another letter going basically, uh-oh, they're no longer processing money. Completely out of our control. Then, about a month later, we finally get another letter which says, sorry, we're no longer in control of the money you gave us. Any questions you need to send to this company over there. We're fine over here. All our other accounts are fine over here. We're very sorry.
I just find this whole thing, it's so blatantly a con. And yet it's still working. They're still making money.
Okay, that's all I've got to say for now. I'll leave you with something which, in my opinion, is prettier than commodity trading. And have a good week.